In today's episode, we are covering this product, and I was shocked because I see so many people using this product, and a lot of people, especially homeowners and people who are in, their early 20s, early 30s, probably all the way up to 50s, are using this product maybe 2-3 times a week. But I didn't know that this product was going to be generating 7 figures per year. This is a perfect example of one product that could literally change the game for you. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and another episode of the 7-Figure Product Series. In this series, we take top selling products that are generating over 7 figures per year, multiple 6 figures in profit, and we dive deep into these products. How much are they making? What do they look like? And best of all, what the heck are they? If you're new to the channel or you're not currently a subscriber, before we dive in, go ahead and click that red button down below. Make sure you're subscribed and click the notification bell because every single Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, we're dropping new content to help you increase your income, impact, and influence. Now, this is a bartender kit or a mixology kit, whatever you want to call it. Basically has tons of tools within that you utilize to make different beverages, usually alcoholic beverages. We're going to dive into the numbers and most importantly, dive into the product itself. We're using the Jungle Scout Chrome extension. If you're starting out and you want to play around and follow along with this series, I highly suggest that you get access to Jungle Scout, which is literally the oldest software around. And it's the software not only do we use on the channel, but we use inside of my program as well. Down below and on the screen will be a link to get you a discount to that software. It's very cheap, yet very effective. You can go to www.discountonjunglescout.com to go ahead and grab access to that software. So first and foremost, what we did is we typed in the main keyword, which is bartender kit. That's the main keyword that we use to find this product. And here you can see literally all of these different sellers selling these products in their different sizes, different color woods and different shapes and different accessories and so on and so forth. Now, attached to this video and every other video inside the series, my team puts together a PDF. Quick disclaimer, guys, the time that my team finds these products and puts together the PDF and we're actually doing this live, sometimes there will be some variances and some differentiations in the actual numbers, but this is normal. Every single day, these numbers are changing. Amount of units selling are changing. How many sales are changing. How many people are coming into the industry is changing. Kind of like the stock market, how there's ticks throughout the entire day. So I want you to understand that and take that with a grain of salt. And that's why it's so important that you know not only how to find these products, but how to do your due diligence. On average, a lot of these sellers are doing 2,100 units per month, on average of $40 and some change. That's right at $1 million per year. However, the company we're going to be reviewing for today's video, Modern Mixology, here you can see they are an OG. They've been in the game since March of 2019. They're cruising at $600,000 in gross revenue. By the way, guys, these numbers we're talking about are gross revenue, which is total sales. For net profits or net totals, you can conservatively take around 30% of that number and attribute that to what the take-home net profit is. But here you can see that they're doing, around 7.2 million and some change in reference to gross revenue per year. Per month, they're doing $603,000. So here I want you to see, just because you find one person that's crushing it, they're a whale, they're taking up market share, they're dominating it, they're crushing it. The average guy is still doing $50,000 a month who just launched in 2021. Here goes another guy that just launched in 2022. He literally just launched at the time of recording this video this month, and he's already doing $30,000 per month in gross revenue, which equates to around $7,000 to $9,000 profit with just one product. Now, you don't have to be the OG, you don't have to be the best. However, I want you to understand that you have to understand how to do the research, and then you need to take action. You can believe you're going to find a product, you can learn how to do the product research, but if you don't believe in the product research, learn how to do product research, then actually launch the product, you're not going to reap the rewards. So many people get messed up and they fall victim to analysis paralysis, where they understand all this and they watch these videos all day and they become addicted to education and allergic to execution. So I want you guys to catch that while we're talking about these analytics. Here we went to their website. Again, we found their website on their actual packaging. It's not mandatory that you have a website developed when you're starting out. However, if you want to have one, if you have that experience or you have that budget to have one created, it doesn't have to be like Apple's website. A basic okay website will do. The main purpose is if you have warranties or if you're collecting user information like email, phone numbers, or pixels, this is a good way to do so. Now, speaking of pixels, guys, here you can download the Facebook Pixel Helper Chrome extension for free. And if we click that, you'll see that there's no pixels found on the website. So right off the bat, this is ridiculous that they have a website and they're not collecting user information. When you have a Google and a Facebook pixel on here, even if you're not running Google and Facebook ads, that pixel is seasoning and collecting valuable data about your customers and clients. So you can do things like retarget to them. You know those little ads when you're on a website and then everywhere you go, there's these omnipresent ads? You can do that. You can also say, hey Facebook, hey Google, go find clients that are close to or similar to the clients that are reviewing my website. That way, if you choose to scale and ramp things up and market to these people, you can do so. Now, looking at their website, like I said, guys, this is a very basic slap together website. And it's kind of funny. Again, number one, there was no pixel on here. Number two, our team noticed that they spelled bottle wrong right here, B-O-T-L-L-E. So there's misspelling, there's no pixel. It's very generic, bland. However, they have one, right? So you could get something like this developed if you do it yourself on Wix or Weebly or something for free with some Google and YouTube tutorials, or you could hire someone on Upwork or Fiverr to get this done probably for around $100 to $300. This is not very hard to do. It could be done in a couple days. So guys, you don't have to spend tens of thousands of dollars on a website. As long as you have one, it's better to have one than not have one. However, it's not mandatory that you have one. I want to be very clear. You can improve, enhance, differentiate your packaging down the road. The most important thing is finding the product, launching the product, getting proof of concept, making money, and then fixing things as you go. There's a simple list of what the package contains on the side. It has their logo, it has their brand name, which is trademarked, so that's good. You guys know here on the channel, I'm a big ambassador of getting your trademark early. That way you can use EBC, enhanced brand content, A+ content. On the side, it talks about a warranty. Activate your 3-year warranty, check the flyer inside. Don't worry, we're definitely gonna be looking at that flyer. They have a customer email support email as well as phone number. That's a hack. Here on the channel, guys, I'm always talking about getting a Grasshopper number or getting a VA or somebody where you can have that phone number customer service, because it just takes you to a whole nother level on customer support and brand perception. They have Facebook, Instagram, and their website. So after we go through this packaging, we will dive into their socials and their website. But this is huge, guys. You want to be utilizing the inside of your product and your package stuffers as a billboard for cross-pollination of and cross-promotion of different social media platforms, websites, products, the whole 9 yards. So right off the bat, it looks like they have the shrink wrap or the plastic wrapping, which you guys know I love. Quality's a little cheap, it's a little flimsy. When it makes that weird noise, you can tell that the quality's a little bit lower on it. However, pumping volume like them, they're probably trying to save costs. That way they can increase their margins, which I don't blame them. The box came a little beat up. Hopefully you can see that here on the edge. This was kind of lifted up. There's a lot of dents. Now, when you see the box corners like this, that means that the crush factor is very weak. Here you see me squeezing with my thumb in my hand. I can pretty much crush the box. I'm often talking about crush factor, and one of the things I like doing is investing in the quality of the box and the actual crush factor. I am squeezing this as hard as humanly possible, and there is no dentation or even proof of me squeezing. I could literally probably stand on this and it would not break this. Now, I understand you guys are like, hey, this is a bartender kit. This is a $500 pair set of headphones. However, you would be surprised that the cost of packaging is not night and day. It will cost more for this quality, but trust me, you will get more reviews, more loyal customers, and a better reputation with your business. This is stainless steel and it is inside of plastic, which is smart. Whenever you have internal pieces or components, it is very smart that you do what you can to protect them. Again, this is gonna add to the perception, perceived value, and this is also gonna help protect the products. Right off the bat, I can say I don't like the fonts that they use. It's not really legible and it looks a little funny. Another thing is I really don't like that it's not too thick. I actually have a set at home. I'm able to squeeze this. Not that you're gonna be doing that, but it's very thin, doesn't seem premium. I know that you guys can't tell that from a video, but just touching it, it doesn't feel premium. So that again is constructed constructive criticism. Again, you don't have to be perfect because perfection leads to procrastination. However, I want you guys to see that these products that are crushing it and doing numbers that would change your guys' lives, they're not trillion-dollar company quality products. They're just everyday people like me and you selling everyday products, trying to figure things out and making life-changing money doing so. That's my goal with this series. Right off the top of my mind, I don't like the quality. You can see the glue around the edges, which I really don't like. You know, it's stamped at the bottom with marketing and solicitation and their email and so on and so forth. I really don't like that. That should be done in your package stuffer. And I don't like the fact that it's not stained. Again, this is all constructive criticism. And of course, they're still slapping $6-7 million a year. So it's not that big of a difference or a deal. However, I want you guys again to see that there is room for improvement and that that's not your primary focus when starting. You can always improve as you go. One thing I do like is it looks like they have a little twist tie on here to keep this tied. Nothing worse than stuff being loose and coming apart as you're selling your products. Please check your bartender kit. If you find anything missing or any issues, don't hesitate to contact us. And it looks like they have this again. So they have this all over the place, which is good because they're trying to combat negative reviews. They have a cocktail card set, which this is probably what they're using to differentiate the product to add value. But in the inside, it has all these different drinks: old fashioned, dry martini, Bloody Mary. The graphics are really, really cool, and I do personally like this. In the front, it says cocktail photo contest. Number 1, follow modern mixology. Number 2, snap a photo of a cocktail you made. Number 3, tag us in your photo. Number 4, win the most liked photo each week gets a free bar set. So that's absolutely amazing. I really do like that. Super smart. And these, as awkward as it is, and the package stuffer are significantly more high quality than the bar kit itself, right? So it seems like they're good marketers and that's why they're crushing it. But the product is not that good. And that leads to say that as long as you have an okay product, you have proof of concept, you've done your due diligence, and your marketing is on point, you can absolutely crush it. I've seen the complete opposite, where people's packaging and products are amazing and their marketing is non-existent, and they wonder, well, what happened? I thought I picked a good product. Oftentimes, issues are not product related, they're person or knowledge related. Somebody that tried to do this on their own on YouTube and they couldn't find that extensive marketing video series or extensive PPC tutorial, but they found everything else about product research. And oftentimes at our company, that's what we see the big issue is. It looks like they have 2 package stuffers. Package stuffer number 1 says, turn me over. Read this first. The steel is all stainless, but just in case, text rust proof to 44222 to activate your 3-year extended warranty. Have any issues, anything missing, want to reach out? We're available 24/7. So this is very, very smart. What they're doing is a few different things, guys. Number 1, they're getting you to Instagram with this contest. Number 2, they're getting phone numbers, probably in their community or their CRM, where they can market to you at different times. And if you don't want to text, they're getting your email address and probably your phone number through their website. So that's what they're doing here, guys. Again, we will screenshot all of this and add this in the PDF that you can download down below this video. If you want to hack this product, if you want to hack this process, if you want access to all these resources for free, click the link down below. Make sure that you download the template, all of these screenshots, as well as the PDF. And last but not least, guys, what we have here is a card. I'm not going to read this entire thing, but we'll screenshot it. It looks like it's handwritten, but it's printed. It's basically trying to combat negative reviews. It's trying to focus on positive reviews. It's reinforcing their customer support and their mission statement. So really good. They're doing 2 package stuffers plus a free gift, which is a good way to differentiate and add value. So again, all of these will be added in the download down below if you want access to these free resources. Crazy, another product that's generating over 7 figures gross, multiple 6 figures profit. In this product's case, 7 figures profit per year with just 1 product. That's why at the AMZ Formula and AMZ Together, we say that you're only 1 product away. If you're interested in learning how you could start or scale your online Amazon business, click the link down below and schedule a free call with my team at amztogether.com. If you're not subscribed and you're still hanging around, make sure you're subscribed. Click that notification bell. That way you're notified every single time we launch a new video. And in just a few seconds, there's more 7-figure products coming. See you in the next one.